Hello beauties! So it's been a little while, but we're back with a makeup review and a try on, and I've got these little butterfly clips that have absolutely nothing to do with what we're doing today, but I just wanted to keep my hair out of my face, and for some reason I only got left ones. So all of my hair is going, like all the butterflies are going to be facing one direction, but that'll just keep the hair out of our face. We've got on our fuzzy top, which is extremely itchy, but that's okay. So what I got here is a big box from ProFusion Cosmetics. Now I've never shopped there before, but I've seen their stuff out and about, and I was kind of interested. They're having a sale and an ad popped up on Instagram, and I was like, I never tried it before. I'm gonna try it because I feel like I've tried every makeup brand and I haven't tried that one, so I was like, it's about time. But the reason I have this early 2000s style on today is because I bought a few items off ProFusion Cosmetics site for the Mean Girls collab. So we have these Mean Girl, it's a little dusty, but we have these Mean Girl The Plastics, 4 pair of faux mink lashes, and there's Karen Smith, Gretchen Wieners, Regina George, and Caddy. Oh my gosh, could you believe I just said that wrong? Jeez, I've seen Mean Girls like 100 times. But yeah, so we have these lashes, which I'm so excited about. And then we also got their eyeshadow kit. This is the 4 for GLEN COCO 4-piece eyeshadow quad set. And we have Gretchen Wieners, Caddy Heron, Karen Smith, and Regina George again. But what I really love about this is like the packaging. I don't know if you guys can see with the lights, but it's got like sequins in there. You see them moving around? My pink alarms. And so yeah, I just love how there is like a style for each of the 4 primary Mean Girls. They're really cute and they were a great price, so I couldn't pass it up. And then I also got a couple of other things from their site so that I could get free shipping. I got this, look at this, my hair's all over everything. This is ridiculous. I got their Bright Lights UV neon liner in this like hot pink color, and I also got it in this blue color. And I also got this Good Brow Day brow pen. I love brow pens, so I just thought that that would be a fun thing to add to my collection. I got this, it says $6 on it. I got this Stardust face and body glitter gel because I keep hitting everything. Because I thought that this would go with like that early 2000s type theme. I know when I was a young girl in the early 2000s, I had body glitter all the time. And I also got the Glitter on the Go Rapture Loose Pigment and Adhesive. I don't know what I'm going to use this for, but I just thought it was cute. And I thought today, why not try out some of these products? Let me open this. I don't even want to open it because it's so gosh darn pretty. Like, I wish I could just keep it forever in this packaging. But, ooh, I ripped it. Immediately rips it. I didn't even notice there's like glitter all over the side of it too. But it's so gosh darn gorgeous. Oh, this stuff doesn't come out. Ooh, I love it. We have this Regina one in pink. We have a marbled brown, a really chunky pink and silver glitter, a light glitter with this pink, and a matte pink. It's like a matte nude pink. Nude? Mauve? Mauve-y nude? I don't know. I don't know what word I was trying to look for. Then we have Gretchen Wieners, which is this blue. In this we have like a pale matte blue up here. We have a glittery dark blue. We have like a marbled blue and silver. And then we have a chunky blue and silver glitter with hearts and stars in it. Oh, that's so cute. What is this? Oh, Regina's actually has hearts in it too, but not stars. It's like hearts and circles. That's really awesome. I love that. Now we've got Karen Smith. So this one's like a little bit different in that the lighter shade is not the matte shade. I think it's the opposite with all the rest of these. So the lightest shade over here, sorry, up here, it's really hard to see. This one is actually very glittery and this one is very matte. Then we've got like a rosy purple marbled, and then we've got glitter right here. And the glitter is actually like this greenish blue, and it's got hearts and like little specks in it, and it's really, really, really gorgeous. Actually, like, love it. I think we might do purple because we're wearing purple. And last we have Caddy Heron, and hers is actually different from all the rest too. The 2 main colors, this is a darker green, this is a lighter green, they're both very matte. Then we have this marbled green, and it is like, it's actually blue. It's like a zebra blue down here. And then we have the glitter up top, and that's a green and blue with stars and hearts again. So that's really pretty, but I think today, because we're wearing the colors, we're gonna go with Karen Smith. So let's get a nice fluffy brush. Do these have names on them? Oh, they do. Okay, so Forget About You is a lighter shade and Thigh Slap is the darker shade. So we're gonna get Forget About You, and I already have my, I don't know if you can see this, but it's actually like really powdery. Like it's kind of going all over the place, but oh geez, just went into all the other shadows. But it's actually very, 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 very powdery. Let's put it just above here. Oh, it's actually kind of cute. But I have to tell you, in person, it's actually like a really nice smoky purple. It's not that bad. And so far, even though I got a ton of fallout in the palette itself, I'm not getting any fallout on my face so far. So I really like that. Next, we're gonna go in with Thigh Slap. And I'm gonna do it like on my outer crease. Oh, that color is actually really lovely. I have no issues with that. You know what I actually like about the first shade that we put on is, even though it looks very, well actually it looks glittery in the palette, but not overwhelming. It's got silver glitter. But on the eye, it's not very glittery, but it's like shimmery in like a really pretty way. And I don't know if the camera is picking up, but it is like very just shimmery and nice. I think it's really cute. Now I'm gonna grab this marbled shade. It's like a green and purple marbled shade, and it's called Best I Ever Want. And I'm just gonna get it with my finger and I put it on my nose. Oh geez. Oh geez. I know. I'm just gonna put it on my inner corner. That actually adds like a really good amount of highlight. It's impressive. Like I feel like you could use this just on like your cheekbones and it would be so nice. And it looks so fetch. It's so fetch. So we are going to use the Karen Smith lashes, the ones right here. Okay, I think it actually looks fantastic. So the only things that I changed when I went into the room is I put on a little bit on my under eyes of both the shades we put on top, and I put on eyeliner, and I put in the Karen lashes. And I have to say, these look fantastic. I'm like literally obsessed, and I don't think I've ever had like a little tiny palette like this where I use every color basically, and it's just like fantastic. So now we are going to take a deep breath. First I'm going to put on some glitter glue just to protect ourselves a little bit. Okay, and I'm going to put it just right on the middle of my eye. This is, look at how gorgeous this is. Hold on. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Whoa, almost had a light accident here. Okay, you guys see how gorgeous, it's so hard to see on the camera, but it is so gosh darn pretty. All right, let's be brave. Again, I don't recommend doing this, but I'm going to do it. Wait, which eye? Okay. Oh my freaking gosh, I could, oh my gosh, if I could marry something, oh my gosh, that wasn't a person, I would marry this. This is, or let me do the other eye. Hold on, hold on. Okay, let me try to get close enough to show you guys this glitter. If this light doesn't fall on me and electrocute me, that would be like really cool. That would be really, really cool. All right, can you guys, let me turn the light down. Is that better? Oh my gosh, it is better. Do you guys see how glittery this is? Look at that. It like glows in the dark. Do you see that? Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. And then if we do the bright light, oh, it's pretty there too, but oh my gosh. Can you see, maybe if I get out of focus a little bit, you may be able to see it a little bit better. Oh, you can kind of see that big sparkle is where the heart is. It is so gorgeous. And like, look at the color for, hello, look at the color for it only being like, I think it was $15 for that whole thing and you got 4. So, I mean like, it's a good value. Wow, my light. I keep dropping the light. Karen Smith, that's getting a 10 out of 10. That was ridiculously nice. Okay, now I'm gonna try this brow pencil so I can finish, this brow pen so I can finish my brows because my brows are looking real whack. Wow, that's really, I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, can you guys see that? It's actually really natural looking. I got soft brown and this looks good. It's like, like even when you put a lot of pressure, not a lot comes out. And it comes out so fine and hair-like. And the color is really, really nice. Wow. Actually, this is like crazy. Like, this is amazing. So far, everything, I I'm loving everything. I want to use these, but I think I'm going to save them for another video. Maybe when we do like Regina George, because she's pink, maybe we'll do like the pink liner, or if we do Gretchen Wieners, because it's blue, we'll do the blue liner. But I do want to try out this face and body glitter. Oh, it's pretty. Can you see how gorgeous that is? So it says it's face and body. Okay, it's very like gritty. That's okay. So let's put it on our collarbone just to kind of see how it's, oh, it's kind of pretty. It's not sticking very well though. Maybe we tap instead of slide. Okay, it's kind of strange because when it's not hitting the light, it looks kind of like just dirty. I don't know. It's looking kind of like a little dirty. Maybe I put some on. It's not sticky. Rubbing it in like lotion. Oh, that's actually really pretty. I like that a lot. That's gorgeous. Okay, I'm not mad at that. That was nice. That's nice. I dug in pretty deep into this palette, and that's when we got some good stuff. Let's try maybe a little bit on the cheeks. In person, it doesn't look good on the face at all. It looks pretty good on the chest. I'm not gonna lie, it looks good on the chest. It doesn't look good on the face. It looks like, first off, it's coming off like crazy. And so I don't like that. But on the chest, it looks nice. And it's still actually coming off the chest. So if you want to like mark your property, yeah, it's like, it's all falling off the face. Not good on the face. So comment below and let me know what you think. If you guys want to see the Gretchen Wieners, the Regina George and the Catty Heron, and if you guys want to see the liners and the other glitter. So yeah, let me know because I loved all of these. These are all really, really great in their own unique, special ways. And I'd love to hear what you think. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.